The weather is almost the same as yesterday. May 31st, heavy intensity rain. Fresh breeze. The high will be 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 56 degrees Fahrenheit. Subscription only for New Yorkers. June 1st, few clouds. Fresh breeze. The high will be 69 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 53 degrees Fahrenheit. June 2nd, scattered clouds. Gentle breeze. The high will be 75 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 57 degrees Fahrenheit. June 3rd, clear sky. Gentle breeze. The high will be 77 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 61 degrees Fahrenheit. June 4th, clear sky. Moderate breeze. The high will be 84 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Subscribe. More information at weatheradar.com.